Subscribe to Masterminds and press on bell icon to be the first to watch every video. Hey, what is up guys, this is Syed from Masterminds and today we will be reviewing about this which I have got it today. It is nothing but a tripod which I have just bought for my YouTube studio. It is now a thing it's a part of my YouTube studio now. So before going into the video, let me just say about this tripod, and this is a very good tripod. I have just got it among a price a little bit about 900 rupees in Indian currency. That is, just say you in US or other international countries, just convert it in your money, you will get even a little bit cheaper. And what is the benefits about this tripod and why do I have got this tripod? For that is that even though there is a lot of tripods in internet which are very cheaper, which is below 500 rupees, but why do I go to this tripod is that first reason, it has a good height of 4.5 feet and it's a lightweight tripod, and we can adjust this tripod in any angle, any direction. And the main thing is that this is a universal tripod. It comes up with an universal tripod stand which supports every mobile. Like I am now using a big screen size tripod which I am currently recording my video. It's a Redmi Note 3 and you know guys, it has a bigger screen. It just supports that, and even though you have a very small size screen in smartphones, it also does support that. Even any iPhones or any phone, it just supports of about 6.5 inches screen max, but you cannot able to put a tablet on it, but you can hook up your DSLR cameras or any other camera or projector what you're having as an asset with a thread or bolt below your device. It can hold that. And let's just go to the video and see how the tripod looks like. So okay guys, this is the package that I have got with the tripod, and this is how it was packed by Dslr from Amazon. I have got this tripod from Amazon. You can click the link in the description and you can also buy the same tripod. So this is how the package really looks like, and it's pretty much good. So let's just open the pack and see how it really is. So I have cut aside in the package, and let's just see what's inside, whether any invoice is it in that or not. As you can see, the package has an Amazon.in logo, which is I'm in India currently, so in means India. And let's just open. So it's really hard to record and unbox a thing. That's why I really need a tripod for my video recording, and it seems like it doesn't have any invoice in it. So let's just keep that aside, and this is how the tripod box and pack really looks like. And I think this is the look of the tripod that was gonna be inside the box. And let me focus it for you guys. As I have said, this tripod is a brand of Smiledrive, 105 cm long, which is nothing but 4.5 feet, and it's 1020mm, 350mm, 345mm. I think it says 3 adjustable heights and 16:8mm flat head spacing, I think so. And inside the box, wow, it does have a black carry bag to carry or pack, and it doesn't have anything inside it. So this is the bag which I have got with the tripod, and this is the tripod. Actually the back quality is pretty nice, but not good, just nice. It is okay for the tripod, and the quality of the tripod is also good. These are the things that I have got with this tripod, guys. I don't know what is the round small thing that I have got with this tripod. Please do comment it below. And this is the universal mobile phone or smartphone holder that I was talking you about in the first. We can put any size smartphone in that, and I don't know really about this small round thing. What do we try to hold that? And this is how the tripod's actual small size really looks like, and it does have a good build quality and a good design. It has 3 adjustable tabs to open further legs, which means to stretch further legs or to lengthen his legs, how you can understand. This is the net to control the left or right movement for the tripod, and the net which is in the center is for up down action, and it does have a water level indicator which shows that we do have it on a flat correct surface or not, or we can we can rearrange it in that order. Alright guys, let me show you how much length that the tripod has in its single leg. First I am opening the first clip, and it goes up to this much length. Okay, and this second leg, when we go for the further leg, actually the legs width are being reduced. I think it's a design criteria for that, so it can be congested within a single pipe, but it has a good weight support, and it can support up to max of 1.5 kg. That is efficient. And this is the last leg. Guys, a tripod within 900 or 800 rupees with this much features, it's enough. And this was the water level indicator that I have been telling you about in this tripod. While in a rough surface, you don't know whether the tripod is straight or whether the camera is in straight position or not, and those are the 2 adjustable nets for that. And this is the handle to rotate it, whether in left or right movement or up and down movement. I think you can see it clearly, guys. And first of all, I don't notice that this handle was done adjustable, and the net that I am showing right now is for left and right, and the handle is also an adjustable handle to adjust that up and down action, and the top net is for controlling the flat head of that tripod. So it has a thread which we can tie up with a projector or the universal mobile holder or an DSLR camera. We can even use it in that flat side also, so that we can able to take long shots, which is a portrait shot. And the head which I am showing below is that the head for the thread, and this is the universal mobile holder which I have shown in the first. And let me just try it so that you can able to clearly see. Okay, it just fits smoothly and it is perfect, and we can take even portrait shots. The net which is inside between that gap is the net to tighten or loosen the screw. So, and as I said, it has an adjustable slot. So this is the standing position of the tripod in its full height. Let me just show you guys. And the phone which I have just hooked up is a lava phone, and it has a fine screen.
this is the full height of the tripod, and it's good. You can see that it's taking a really good posture of that package. And please do note guys that the web links and the other product names that I said, they are not the sponsors of this video, and this is how we can able to control the left or right position. I hope you all like this video and hit like.
Okay guys, I hope you all like this video. Please do like and do subscribe. This is Syed from Masterminds. Stay tuned. Bye bye.